We are inside Al Aqsa Hospital, and this nurse, she's working now in Al Aqsa Hospital, and she's working since 7th of October. Can you imagine that? Even she get birth inside this hospital, and she's still working with her new baby that need a lot of things like milk and like pampers. So Alkhidmat Foundation decided to help this nurse that she's working so hard during the war in Gaza City in a section for the babies like Yusuf. He's just 5.5 years and he's sick because of this genocide and war here. So Alkhidmat Foundation decided to help babies like Yusuf with the baby milk. Thank you Alkhidmat so much for helping this nurse that working so hard even with this hard situation. Thank you so much for all your support with me, Dima, the coordinator for Alkhidmat. Thank you so much.